In this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 best affiliate marketing programs to promote in 2020 and beyond. And this is very beginner friendly. So guys, let's get after it. Guys, my name is Scott Anderson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we chat about affiliate marketing, how it can fuel your income and your freedom. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and tip that bell notification. If you're wanting to learn about affiliate marketing and want to see the best programs, you're in the right spot. Please smash that like button and let's get to it. Okay, so number 7 is Jvzoo. Guys, this is an affiliate marketing network where there's all sorts of products, very easy to get started for a beginner. These type of products are more low ticket, easy products that can convert. Most of these products are digital. So software or ebooks or business opportunities. So I put this in order from the most popular, and the first one that came up is this Video Maker FX video creation software. So if you're doing videos, if you want to gain traffic from YouTube, this would make a really easy transition to say, hey, how to make really good videos. Here is an awesome product. You could do a review on it. This product sells for $30 to $50 average price, and so you get 50% commission of that. So you could earn, $15 to $25 from just one sale. So there's been 37,000 plus sales just with this product alone. So, well, and then even here it says 114,000 plus sales with just that one product. So there's all sorts of things you can choose from. Here's another Video Pal, Video One, Profit Builder Professional, Video Builder app. So that gives you a good idea of what Jvzoo is. I clicked on the Video Maker. So this is their sales page. You just sign up, you get a link, and then you are able to create an offer. And I'll go into that later. When you create that offer, you send traffic to it, you make money. That's the basics of affiliate marketing. Okay, number 6 is Clickbank. This is probably one of the biggest affiliate networks on the internet in the world. Guys, this is also digital products, maybe selling courses, ebooks, all sorts of things, but mostly digital. So I went on here to the e-business, e-marketing category. And as you see, this is ranked from popularity. Goes from the top, these Clickbank University, recurring revenue for life, average sell, because you can earn up to $166 per sell just by promoting that one product, which kind of helps people get familiar with Clickbank and teaches them how to do affiliate marketing, which is just a great way to be an affiliate marketer. Another thing here is John Crestani. He is one of the best affiliate marketers in the world. He has a product. He just recently made some tweaks, so there's some other opportunities to make more money in other ways, but average sell is almost $500, guys. So that's some more high ticket stuff. So if you're wanting to get started with affiliate marketing and want to earn higher commissions, that is a great opportunity. Here's another one that's been very popular, is this 12-minute affiliate system, $50 average sell. So once again, you create some sort of website that explains and does this and teaches this kind of stuff, a blog, or you do videos, shoot them on YouTube, review these products, teach people what they are, and add your link with the offer, or add your offer with your link in exchange for you. If people click on that, then you get a commission. Okay, number 5 is ShareSell. So guys, ShareSell is a combination of digital products as well as just anything, right? And so if you go on here, I rank this in power rank. So one of the top things right here is this Smile Direct Club. Guys, you can earn $50 per sell with this one thing. You may have already seen ads about Smile Direct. I definitely have on the internet. It helps you get straighter teeth. It's fantastic. Deluxe business products, like these are to order checks. So for my business, I have had to order checks before. I definitely know Deluxe. So you guys, you can earn lots of commission just by promoting that. Jane. Guys, Jane is clothing for kids. I think more geared towards girls. You can earn 10% commission on that. And that's a very popular site where, you know, just high quality products exist. Minted. This is also a quality product that does stuff like Christmas cards that you send out to your friends, create cute little books and that type of thing. Very popular. Weebly, Spanx, Reebok. Like Reebok, we all know the shoe company. So this is a little bit more reputable, little higher end type of brands and products. Fantastics. So once again, this is great, just a great opportunity. There's two products that I like within this that I currently use, and that is PicMonkey and also Tailwind. Tailwind is a product for Pinterest where you can promote and get your pins up, and it's an awesome software that I don't even think there's any competition. So a great overall network. That's ShareSell, okay? This is number 4 is Amazon.com. Everybody should know what Amazon is. Guys, people go on Amazon to buy things. Why? Because it's a very reputable site. You get 2-day shipping. You get all of the luxuries you would ever want from a seller. So guys, you know that Amazon sells everything. This is probably one of the best affiliate marketing programs that ever has existed online. Why? Because it covers every product you'd ever want to sell. What's the downside to Amazon is that your commissions might only be 4%. I think tops is 10%. That's on certain products. So yes, it's fantastic. Yes, I made money from this, but it's hard to scale and grow an affiliate marketing business. If you're an influencer and you have an Instagram account and you have thousands upon thousands of followers and you can do the swipe up, this would be a great opportunity to find cute, cool products that you like. I say cute for girls. You can promote great clothing and that sort of thing. And another thing that you want to focus with Amazon is big like holidays, you know, stuff like Christmas and Black Friday and Amazon Prime Day in the summertime in July. So those are the type of things where you can crush it on Amazon. If you have an Instagram account, you can literally do these stories and people swipe up and they like what they see and they buy it and you get a commission. The great thing is they don't have to buy that exact product. There's a sticky cookie on Amazon, I think for 24 hours. If they don't go to someone else's link, then within that 24-hour period, if they buy something, then you can get a commission. So very cool with that. Okay, so number 3 is Commission Junction. It's now called CJ Affiliate. Guys, this is an awesome network. Once again, of more reputable products selling anything. So we've got Inkjet, we have 1Password. You can earn 25% of the sell. $2 per lead. I mean, 4-wheel drive parts and other inkjets. Alibaba and AliExpress. If you're trying to teach people about how to do drop shipping, guys, you can become an affiliate for Alibaba. So you can teach people, you can say, hey guys, sell your products online. Go buy them first from Alibaba, drop ship them, use the product, use this cool software to sell it, and voila, like you earn commissions multiple ways. So that's going to tie right in to the next affiliate marketing program. I've kind of shared with you networks, but I'm now going to share you my number 2 recommendation, and that's ClickFunnels. This is a direct program. So you will find that there are certain companies out there that they don't put their product on a network. They may or may not, but if you can find really good products like this software, you can go right onto their website and become an affiliate for them directly. And the beautiful thing about ClickFunnels is that it's a tool, and this tool is beneficial for anyone really that's doing things online. If you're wanting to sell anything online, if you're creating a course, if you're have an information product, You know, ClickFunnels is a fantastic program. In fact, it's great, very valuable for an affiliate marketer to have ClickFunnels as well. What is it? It's a web builder where you can build out these awesome looking websites for capturing leads, for selling things, for doing upsells and downsells. Overall, ClickFunnels is a fantastic tool. But the fantastic thing is, an affiliate, you can earn up to 40% commissions recurring revenue month to month. So their kind of basic entry-level product is their web builder, funnel builder, that's $97 a month. So 40% commission of that, guys, that's about $40 a month that can just keep coming through. So here is a page that shows you how to become an affiliate for ClickFunnels. It encourages you that you could like lose your, stop your job and just be an affiliate for ClickFunnels. They have gone through a few different changes. So it used to be 40% commission and still might be for new users, new affiliates, but I think their starting rate as an affiliate is 30% commission now. But guys, there are lots of people that are crushing it being an affiliate just for ClickFunnels. My friend Spencer Meekum has literally earned over $1 million in commissions. That's him right there holding the guitar. $1 million in commissions by just promoting ClickFunnels. And the cool thing is, if you get 100 users on ClickFunnels, then they will buy you your dream car. Kind of cool there. So just pointing this out, this is a great program. I have my link below to sign up. Why do I promote it? Because it is a really effective tool and it's fantastic to be an affiliate for it to earn some income. All right, the last program, number 1. This is something that's new to me. It's called Legendary Marketer. Why do I like this product? Guys, this is digital education. This is education to learn how to do anything online. If you're wanting to make money online, Legendary Marketer spells it out. You can sign up for a 15-day challenge, builder challenge, to learn how to sell or do anything online. Guys, it's only $7 to get started. You can become an affiliate and earn up to 40% commissions. Probably thinking, what the heck, why do I want to earn 40% of a $7 product that's only $2? That is true, but they do have some awesome upsells. Okay guys, as I was editing this video, I realized I didn't emphasize the value of being an affiliate marketer for Legendary Marketer. Guys, you earn 40% commissions on anything, and literally have products from $7 up to $15,000. Yes, you heard me right. They have some really high-end quality products that are high ticket. And Nathan Lucas, one guy, guys, named Nathan Lucas, Freedom Influencer, you can check him out on his YouTube channel. He has earned up to $1 million by just promoting Legendary Marketer. Yes, so guys, and he has done that in the last year, like 2018, 2019. So for 2020, the trend is growing. So guys, overall, this video is for beginner affiliate marketers. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please smash that like button. And overall, my suggestion is to find a product that you love and start creating content online, shooting videos, writing blog posts, and teaching others about the amazing products that are out there online, and create that offer, add your link so you can get paid and do this affiliate marketing business so you can make more money online. Guys, if you found this video valuable, once again, smash that like button. Comment below. I'd like to hear if you are promoting any one of these products. And if you're not promoting any one of these products, what are you currently promoting and why? Okay, I'd love to hear back from you. Once again, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this, and here's some other video suggestions here. So you guys, thanks for hanging in there. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.